They taught us about the sun and the moon, but why they never taught us about the black sun and what it does? This symbol over here to the far left, that measurement symbol with the G in the middle, also represents this configuration here. The bottom piece here represents the rotation of the position of the black sun and how it keeps in position the sun and the moon right here as it rotates. The black sun is also a black supercomputer. It's a supercomputer, and it also is one of the purest forms of lights as well, because it can cleanse almost anything, basically. Hospitals mimic that light of the black sun and send it throughout the hospital to cleanse it with just that light alone. And you notice how you can use a black light to see things that you can't see as far as stains and things of that nature on the bed. We also know that there's things that we can't see because we can't see wind, emotions, things of that nature. So there are other elements around us, but these elements make us also superhuman in a form. So you can pause and read here how you can get charged and grounded from Earth and gain energy from Earth. You know, people will go outside barefooted and hold meters in their hand and watch the level of electricity and voltage go and surge through their body. Enough energy to fuel you for a day, basically, just by being out there for minutes. Here's the circuitry diagram flow of electricity through the body. We have a positive and negative side of flow through the body for the flow of the ions, the energy, things of that nature, and it's depicted on the left side here. So we have negative flow and positive flow going in opposite direction, creating those two separate torus fields, creating a counter space and a plane of inertia to operate where real things begin. And we can manipulate these balls of energy to serve us higher, greater purposes. So once we become one, instead of having, when we become one, the two torus fields, the energetic fields become one, and creates a major torus field where we can energize and collect our electric energy, because we are electric beings. So we can technically discharge power. So just like on the Dragon Ball Z cartoon, they discharge like that. That is actually a mudra to get in the position of discharging electric energy, plasma to be exact. So just like how we have chakras, powerful chakras, the earth has earth chakras, and the numbers here on the right side tell you where they are and where they're located on the map below. The lines that they are located on are called key lines, basically. And if you stand on those key lines, you can charge. All the ancient kings and stuff like that were buried on key lines and ley lines, and then all those different lines make up the tree of life. And then if the mudras and all the emotional intelligence stuff don't work, you can just resort to the Bible and get your emergency